Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, November 17, 2020 on our channel. AHRI releases September 2020 U.S. heating, cooling equipment shipment data. Kaltra expands manufacturing capabilities. AEFYT teaches teacher improvement courses at the National Reference Center for Cold and Air Conditioning of Moratalaz. ASHRAE Learning Institute releases new HVAC design training schedule. CAREL inaugurated new production line in Suzhou, China. NAVAC Inc. partners with Wright Sales to service customers in key Western states. So, first news today. AHRI releases September 2020 U.S. heating, cooling equipment shipment data. Central air conditioners and air source heat pumps. U.S. shipments of central air conditioners and air source heat pumps totaled 902,546 units in September 2020, up 47.1% from 613,607 units shipped in September 2019. U.S. shipments of air conditioners increased 50.7% to 573,565 units, up from 380,581 units shipped in September 2019. U.S. shipments of air source heat pumps increased 41. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Kaltra expands manufacturing capabilities. Responding to the increase in demand for microchannel heat exchangers for HVAC applications, Kaltra expands production capacity at its S1 plant by installing the additional automatic core builders, fin rolling machines, and helium leak detection systems. This significant injection allows Kaltra to increase the annual production of microchannel coils by 20%. The production expansion underlines Kaltra's clear commitment to continuously support the growth of its European customers. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. AEFYT teaches teacher improvement courses at the National Reference Center for Cold and Air Conditioning of Moratalaz. The involvement of AEFYT with professional training, given the importance of educating refrigeration technicians that guarantee the necessary generational renewal in the sector, writes one more chapter in collaboration with the National Cold Reference Center and the Moratalaz Air Conditioning, in Madrid. It involves the development and delivery of 2 teacher training courses, which will take place at the end of November and the beginning of December and will reach teachers chosen by the center itself. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. ASHRAE Learning Institute releases new HVAC design training schedule. Registration is now open for HVAC design and operations training through ASHRAE Learning Institute, ALI. The training will run from December 2020 through June 2021. As technology continues to change, the need for training that incorporates the latest building performance solutions will become critical, said 2020-21 ASHRAE President Chuck E. Gullidge III. PE ASHRAE's HVAC design training offers comprehensive professional development that is useful in addressing today's industry challenges. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. CAREL inaugurated new production line in Suzhou, China. A new production line has recently been inaugurated at the CAREL plant in Suzhou, China. The new line is devoted entirely to manufacturing electronic expansion valves, one of the key elements of CAREL's high-efficiency solutions in many different applications, from data centers to shopping centers, refrigerated showcases and the automotive sector, to name just a few. Just over 1 year after the inauguration of the new production plant in China, I am particularly proud to celebrate the opening of this new line, commented Luciano Marzaro, Managing Director of CAREL Electronic, Suzhou. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. NAVAC Inc. partners with Wright Sales to service customers in key Western states. NAVAC, the world's largest supplier of HVAC vacuum pumps in addition to a wide array of tools, gauges, charging machines, recovery units and other industry-specific items, has named long-standing HVAC/our representative agency Wright Sales Company as a manufacturer representative for its portfolio of solutions in California, Nevada, and Hawaii. With a reputation for consistently exceeding sales, marketing, and service expectations of the manufacturers, distributors, and contractors it serves, Wright Sales will become an official representative of NAVAC's full range of HVAC/tech tools, many of which are designed to make busy technicians' jobs simpler and more efficient. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.